Hello, my friend. Come for a walk with me. I'm in a strange place. I've never been this far east. I'm in Ottawa. I'm in freaking Ottawa. What am I doing here? It's cool. I mean, look at this place. Let me flip that around. That's where I came from. I just passed that lady with her dogs. Oh, I can see you. Hello, family. Very interesting. Ottawa compared to Toronto. What is the difference, you ask? It's quieter. I don't hear a damn thing. The air's nicer. It's so quiet and beautiful. Very nature-like. The fruit's more expensive. Everything, all the food, all the fruits and vegetables are more expensive than Toronto, for sure. Everything's like $1 more a pound. That would suck. I could not live here. Not as a fruitarian. No. And it's cold. I'm freezing right now. So, I'm walking down to a river, apparently. So I'll let you know if I get there. Or if I ever make it back to the house that I'm staying at, because I don't know where it is. So, help. All the street signs are different here. Prom Chantenay Drive. Or they say Rue. I forget. Is that street? Something like that. They're all different. It's very French city. The capital of Canada. There's some Ottawa. What are they called? Ottawantonians? Where are you going? Ice skates. How dare you? What is that little fella? You have a funny song. Okay, so I am somewhere. Where the heck am I? I'm in like a wilderness area. Nice little ice river. I'm like in the middle of nowhere now. Pretty much nowhere. I just crossed a bridge. Oh, I see a man off in the distance. Help me, man. Oh, where are you going, buddy? I'm tracking you.
Ah, he got away.
Wow, that guy's close. No, too close. This is freaking cool though, man. I mean, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I'm zoomed in. I'm zoomed. Don't look at my skin so close. Yeah, I mean, when I go on nature walks in Toronto, it's not like this. I mean, there's nothing anywhere. I mean, where am I? It's like I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm in the woods. I'm in the woods. My little Taylor Creek Park walk at home. It's like there's a designated path. Lots of people. It feels like the city still. You're very close to the city. But this feels like I'm in the woods. This is cool. Now where am I? What is this? What is all this up here? Looks like maybe this is another path. I don't want to go too far because I will literally never come back. Slippery, the ice here in Ottawa. Oh, I think that's the river. Is it? You tell me first. Oh, look at you. Okay, we're going. We're going. Oh, look who stopped to say hello. A little bug out here in the middle of nowhere. Where are you gonna go, buddy? Do you know that you're not close to anything? Not even a Walmart. How are you gonna survive? Feels like mountain lions are stalking me. You let me know if you see one behind me. Please tell me. Well, I'm here. I'm at the river, and it's beautiful. It really is. I mean, if you look off in the distance, it's kind of like, watch this part coming up. It just looks like, I don't know, like Colorado or something, like mountains, little city. Where is it? I'm not there yet, am I? Yeah, like a little town. Mountains in the back. What's over there? Very interesting though. It's like, I don't know what river this is. Ottawa River? Is that a river? But it's really nice. It's peaceful here. I don't want to go too far. I don't know if this is a river. A little frozen, but I'd fall through and die. That's not fun. This is Canada. So the difference between Ottawa and Toronto so far is Ottawa is beautiful. Beautiful nature. Really makes me want to explore. That looks kind of cool with the twigs in focus, but the background is blurry. There you are. Oh, focus on him. There's two of them. Oh, they like to fly away. They really enjoy that. They say, oh, you're gonna film? He's a woodpecker. Kids only daycare. No adults. We've had enough adults. We are not taking care of any more adults. Thanks for watching that wonderful video about Ottawa Nature Walk. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already for some reason. Share it on your Facebook page. That sounds like fun. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And feel free to share your thoughts on the video or whatever else is on your mind down below. Ask me what to do next, and I might do it. No guarantee.